These AirPods Pro clone, people are ordering them and people are not getting their AirPods. Whoever try to order these AirPods, they will not get their AirPods. And that's why I decided to unlist the video. I'm just completely sorry for that, and I didn't mean to, scam you guys. I didn't want to be a sellout. That video was just to show you guys what's going on, the clone stuff, and I love the AirPods Pro clone. I'm not getting paid for saying anything. They just send it out to me to check out because they was telling me a lot has changed since my last clone video, which I made in December or January. I think it was January was my last clone video. And it's been a minute and I just wanted to let it go. But they reached out to me saying we have everything. We have transparency mode, noise cancellation. We have different colors. They had a lot going for it. And I said, you know what? Why not? Let me give it a shot. And then suddenly, right when I released that video, I started getting tweets and I started to get comments, and the comments were kind of weird too. And I'm going to talk more about that in a little bit. People were saying it was a scam. So the comments still roll in, people still saying the same thing, and I just decided to just unlist the video. Now, another fishy thing about those comments were, they were just like weird comments. Like they were just like weird, obviously fake comments from a bot or something like that. You guys know how those bot comments look like. And by the way, those comments weren't controlled by me. You guys know me by now. I'm all about realism. You get what I'm saying? I'm not going to buy comments. I'm not going to buy views. I'm not going to buy subscribers. All this stuff I built from the ground up. Integrity at the end of the day is important than anything else. But anyway, those comments, I guess they paid some viewers to leave a comment on my video, whatever. It was just some suspicious comments, some body comments. So that was one red flag. The second red flag is I searched on Twitter, iPlayStores AirPods. People saying it's a scam. It's a scam. I'm not getting my AirPods. I ordered these since December. Still no AirPods in June. And even on top of that, their Twitter account has been suspended. And you guys can see all the guidelines here. And even so, when you search the website, this is the part that really got me. It says PayPal on the bottom. But when you go to check out and you want to purchase the AirPods, the clone AirPods, you don't even see the PayPal badge. You got to have PayPal. If something has PayPal, that is definitely a good sign because you're going to be able to work with PayPal and get your money back right there. If there's no PayPal, you're going to be fighting with your credit card. You're going to be fighting. It's going to be a pain in the ass to get back. And I don't stand by these guys, man. They send me an email, a friendly email too at that. They tell me a lot has changed. We have the best AirPods Pro clone. And I got to say, I'm not being paid to say this at all. I absolutely love these AirPods Pro clones. And the thing is, it's so sad that you guys came and experienced this. These guys, they contact creators, influencers, and then the thing is, the link, it brings some more awareness to their product, and then you guys get scammed at the end of the day. You guys don't get no product, but it's like I get the product. This is similar to the Escobar phone. Shout out to Marquez, shout out to Mr. Who's Boss. These guys named Escobar, I think, Pablo Escobar, they make phones, but it's just remake phones. But it's like rebranded Galaxy Folds or the iPhone, but they just put Escobar branded all over, and it's all gold. But you're not supposed to buy it. As a consumer, you can't buy it because you're never going to get that phone. And it's a reasonable price, too. You're getting a Galaxy Fold for like $600. It's a steal price. But at the same time, what's the point if the consumer is not going to get it? So that is the problem with these guys. These guys are just like the Escobar. You order it, you're never going to get it. You're never going to get these AirPods. And these AirPods are bomb. They damn near the official AirPods. I use them time to time. They're really excellent. But it's unfortunate that my subscribers, my viewers, can't even experience these. And honestly, at one point, I was going to order them to test them out. I was going to use a different address and see if it's going to arrive or not. But at this point, I don't even want to do that because the writing is on the wall, honestly. Just to go over the red flags again, you have the PayPal badge, but there's no PayPal. Their Twitter account suspended. That's a red flag. And last time that I checked, when they send the email out, they had their Twitter. They had their Twitter, and everything was good. Everything was good, and I'm thinking these guys are new. They're new to the game. I'm gonna be the first. They was gonna offer me a discount code. If you guys use my code SimplyPops, you get X amount off. They offer me either 10% off, and then I get 5% commission, or you guys get 5% off, and then I get 10% of the commission. I chose 10% off for my subscribers and my viewers, and then I get 5% commission. The coupon code that they generated for me, quote unquote, that code don't work. The code was supposed to be hashtag SimplyPops. That code was not valid, and that was a red flag for me. So I send them multiple emails. I send them 3 emails, and I didn't get no response. That's ridiculous. So their customer support is trash. You getting all these tweets saying it's a scam, comments is a scam, and then you got these suspicious comments. So that's 5 red flags. I'm not, bro, they not getting a dime from me. I was going to test it out and see if you're going to really get it, but I'm not even going to do that. It's going to be, you're going to fight with the company, you're going to fight with your credit card. If it was PayPal, you know, they would have gave you the money back right away, but they don't have PayPal. So it's sad. It's unfortunate because these guys really did made a kick-ass clone here. This has everything. It has the iCloud sharing, the audio sharing. It has all the features basically of the official AirPods, and it's unfortunate that they don't deliver. They even have the Force Touch on the ear tips or on the stem on the AirPods itself. I apologize for making that video. I should have done my research a little bit more thorough, because it's kind of like the only company I stand by is AirPods.cc. Those guys, I ordered AirPods for my cousin at one point. It got delivered, no problems. And I might even just cut off just the clones, man, in general, because these sites here, it can't be trusted. Maybe I can make a video on them, but I wouldn't really recommend you guys buying them. I mean, unless it has PayPal, that's a different story, because PayPal, they don't play around with scams. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to clear some things up with that, and that's why the video is taken down. There was one comment that says, oh, he took down his latest AirPods Pro clone. It must be a scam, something like that. And you guys gotta understand, it's hard for YouTubers because you got a scam going on where a company might email you saying, review our software and we'll give you $5,000 for it, for example. And then it's like it's a scam, because that software that they send you or you might download, that's going to take over your YouTube channels. I made a video talking about this. I'll throw a link in the description. It's a lot of scams going on. I hope you guys understand. And yeah, until next time, have a simple day. Stay safe out there.